Hello, welcome to my channel Supercar Sunday. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove an Audi A6 rear bumper. So the first thing to remove are these three Torx that go through the dirt shield into the back of the bumper. So there's three of these, I think they're a 25 or a 27 Torx. Then repeat this by removing the same on the other side. So once you've removed the three Torx screws from the other side, there's four more underneath. There's two are either a 25 or a 27 and two are a 30 Torx. So once we get the four screws removed from underneath, there's two covers that need removing to access the screws on the lights. So these two covers here. So when you've got those two screws removed, the light should then just pop out. Once you've got the light out, remove the wiring connector off the back, and I like to just put the light in the boot of the car. Once you remove the light, there's a plastic pin in each corner. Just use a trim tool or a screwdriver to pop them out. Once you've got those two pins removed, there's two screws that actually go underneath the lights into the top edge of the bumper. If you just remove them, they're the last two screws, and then it's time to unclip the whole bumper. So you can see on that edge there, on the top edge, on the corner of that bumper is where the two screws actually go in. Just on the end where I am with the trim tool now, you can see the hole in the top of the bumper. Same there, you can see that hole there where that screw would have been. So now it's all clipped, just drop it off onto the floor, onto a piece of cardboard or a sheet or something. And then the last job's just to remove all the wiring. So easiest way to do it here is unclip all the sensors and then just tuck the wiring in the boot of the car while you're working on the vehicle. So that's my video on how to remove an Audi A6 rear bumper. If the video has been helpful, please give me a like. Feel free to subscribe to see my future videos. Thanks for watching.